Hi, my name is Marissa,
And my name is Mandy.
and if you're watching this video, you're in organic chemistry.
We made this video to give you an idea of what to expect this semester and to give you a few helpful tips on how to succeed in this class.
Red wine and tan lines color our differences, and you feel less satisfied the more that you acquire. Black cabs and bar tabs.
Let's begin with the basics. At the beginning of the year, Dr. Fair will provide you with all the materials that you need to buy for the course. It is very important that you do so. If not, you'll be sorry later. When you're in organic chemistry, your backpack might look something like this. Well, what's inside? We're going to show you.
The textbook. It is essential to buy the assigned textbook so you can supplement the class notes with each section. The solutions manual. At the beginning of each chapter, it gives you helpful hints and solutions to the questions in the book so you can have all the answers and study that way. You can also just study with someone and see if you both get the same answer to the question. Klein is also useful in that it simplifies the textbook so you can easily understand the topic. Klein is a lifesaver and you should definitely buy it.
Next up is the lecture notes. It is important to read all the lecture notes before coming to class. Being nice and neat will help you stay focused and follow along with what Dr. Fair says. Next is your model set. Without your model set, you're unable to see things in 3D. Next up is a laptop. You're going to need your laptop for Moodle, WebMail, quizzes, homework, chemical book, and YouTube. In this class, there's one thing that you're going to have to do, and that is make sacrifices. If you're not going to make sacrifices, well, you're not going to do very well. I had to sacrifice talking to my boyfriend every night.
I had to sacrifice my weekends.
I had to sacrifice not talking to my family for a while.
I had to sacrifice sleep.
I had to sacrifice homecoming weekend because our test was the following week.
I had to sacrifice my happiness.
We're not trying to scare you, but it is important for you to know that you're going to have to make sacrifices in order to do well in the class.
This class is a huge time commitment, so you have to set aside this time to do well.
We're not trying to say that you can't talk to your boyfriend or girlfriend, talk to your family, or have a social life, but you're going to have to make decisions in order to do well. Now, your weekends might look something like this. It is important to work with a friend when you're doing homework. The reason for that is because you're all going to get different questions. Whenever you get different questions for all the homeworks, you're able to get more practice. And you might have conversations like these. Hey, what did you get for this compound?
Okay, I got CC parentheses backslash C equals C backslash C1 CC1 parentheses C1 C1. Is that what you got?
No. When you've been trying to get the homework problems all weekend and you still can't get the right answer, it's important for you to go to Dr. Fair's office. If you and your friend are unable to answer it, he's the only one that's going to be able to help.
We hope we gave you some helpful tips on how to succeed in this class and an idea of what to expect.
Yes, you're going to have to make some sacrifices. You're going to have to study a lot. and you might even shed some tears. But in all reality, we just want you to have fun.